What's up guys, Nick Rapazzi here. Welcome to the NR Motorsports YouTube channel. So today we're back on the Datsun. We're going to be doing this new frame rail. This is going to be a little bit more complicated than the other one because all of this is metal up here that I was attempting to replace back when I first started working on this, and then got a little bit overwhelmed with how much actual rust repair is needed on this. But I'm excited we're doing it now. At least I have a better vision for everything on this. So we're just gonna, so I don't like the way that this seam came, so I'm just gonna basically just draw a line straight across to get us a perfect square. And I'm just gonna cut all of this out and up and through here, and we're gonna have to make a second piece when we get through here. I don't like making like 6 angles try to fit. It's easier just to do a box and then do another box. But also, when they did this bumper, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see because it's so dark in here, but up in here, it doesn't even attach. So this goes right into the inside of the car. So clearly it's not weather sealed or anything like that. So, and a hole right here where the exhaust would be, and you're gonna smell fumes the entire time inside the car. So I gotta clean all this tar shit up in here, and then check out the metal that is here to see if we have to actually replace that as well. So I'm just gonna cut it to here, get it to right under where this tar stuff is, and then we will explore into that and see what kind of metal we got underneath all that stuff there. So yeah, we got a bunch of work today. I'm gonna set you guys up on time lapse and we'll get this goal is frame rail in. I want same thing that's down there. I want frame rail in today. So let's get to it. All right guys, so we never get as much done as I want to here, but at least this patch panel's in. I got all the way around. There's no holes anywhere. Right here you'll see a big gap because this metal is getting cut out anyway, so I'm not gonna try to weld to this if I'm just gonna be cutting all that out. Here it's a couple layers of steel here, and when there's layers of steel they have glue in between them, so this just blew the fuck out with the glue here. So I'm gonna have to make a little patch in here too because that just blew the hell out. But other than that, we made pretty good progress. This sets us up for tomorrow night. We can come back in, finish that last little panel, and then start getting some framework in. And with this right here, unlike the other side, there's no rust or anything behind here because this was pretty encapsulated in all that black shit. So this I'm gonna go right over. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit more so I can seam weld this all the way through, but I'm gonna go right over this because I already welded to it here, so I'm not gonna bother with it. Same thing here. It's already fully welded, so, and there's no rust behind here, so we'll weld that in, and then we got a shit ton more metal work to go with the whole driver's side. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.